All right, guys. Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. We are going to be doing day 10 of the Sweat and Sculpt plan. And don't forget, if you like the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe, and ring that bell. I know it'll probably seem like, oh, all of a sudden I got to like day 10, what happened? And I'm still trying to figure out, waiting for the app people to get back to me to tell me what happened to the days that I skipped, because now those days of the program are just totally missing. And so there's 2 days that I totally didn't even get to look at. And one of the days I did do while I was out of town and I didn't film it. I was just working out with my sister-in-law trying to keep her going. So there is that. And that was like day 4, I think. It was a no equipment required workout, which is why I did that while I was away, because I totally forgot to take my bands with me. That's a little catch up there. Today we're gonna keep on going. It is day 10. Also, before I forget, I am modifying this workout because it has 4 of the 5 movements are with a weighted slam ball, which I don't own. So I'm gonna modify and use my little kettlebell, or my kettlebell is actually only 8 pounds, so I'll probably just use one of my, what is it called? My power block dumbbells to the weight that I want. It's easy to hold as if it were a kettlebell. And so you'll see me using a kettlebell. I'm working with what I got and it'll be fine. I think that's a pretty good substitution. All right, let's do it. I'm going to be using my free interval app. I have it set for 35 seconds because I usually just need a couple of seconds to get repositioned in for the next movement or get the equipment to grab it. So that way it allows me to get set up without having to stop and start my timer all the time, which I've been bad about doing, but because basically I just needed to reprogram my 30 second program that I have in here. So that's a good tip. Just if you use an interval thing or whatever, just program in some extra time to get reset for the next movement. I have it set for 35 seconds. 2 of the movements are 1 minute, as you'll see, so I just run through them twice. That'll give me a little bit of breather since there'll be an extra 5 to 10 seconds for those. And I'm going to try to do all 5 movements all together, since 5 isn't that many. If it were like 8, then I would split it up into 4 movements and then do all 6 sets, and then the other 4 6 sets. But 5 isn't that bad. I think that's all. Let's get it done.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Wednesday. It's the first time getting on the scale since I was out of town. I was about 189 when I left. So 191. That could be a little bit of water weight. It's about the same body fat percentage as when I left. No problem. I'm not freaked out that the weight has gone up. I'm just going to use that as a little motivator to push hard this week to get back on track. All right, guys, so that is day 10. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little bell, and then you'll be notified when day 11 shows up.
In me in the dark, in the darkness. My shadows, they follow you.